If you're wondering how to use Tenable for government security compliance, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video for a special bonus that'll help you get started with Tenable completely free. So, how can Tenable help with government security compliance? Let's break it down quickly so you can start taking action today. First off, Tenable is a vulnerability management platform used by organizations around the world, including government agencies, to ensure their IT systems are secure and compliant with regulations like FISMA, NIST 800-53, and others. By continuously scanning your systems for vulnerabilities, Tenable helps to identify potential risks and addresses them before they become serious problems. Next thing, the way Tenable works is through a range of tools that focus on identifying vulnerabilities, managing assets, and monitoring for compliance. You can use Tenabled IO or Tenabled SC for real-time data collection, giving you a comprehensive view of your network and how well it complies with government standards. These tools provide a detailed overview of vulnerabilities, asset inventory, and even risk-based prioritization of those vulnerabilities, so you know what to fix first. The fourth thing is how Tenable helps ensure you stay compliant. With Tenable, you can automate security checks against frameworks like NIST or CS, saving you time and effort in tracking every individual compliance requirement. This automation makes it easier to stay on top of your compliance status, especially when dealing with a large and complex network. The software will also help you generate compliance reports with just a few clicks, so you can easily prove your adherence to government standards during audits. Next, Tenable's features also include support for continuous monitoring, which is crucial for government compliance. With the ever-evolving nature of cybersecurity threats, you need to ensure that your systems are always being monitored for new vulnerabilities. Tenable provides the continuous oversight needed to maintain a proactive security posture, ensuring that you're always up to date with the latest risks and regulatory requirements. Another powerful feature is Tenable's risk-based approach to vulnerability management. Rather than just showing you a list of vulnerabilities, Tenable uses scoring systems like CVSS to help you understand which vulnerabilities pose the most significant risk to your system. This allows you to prioritize which ones to address immediately, reducing the risk of security breaches while maintaining government compliance. Finally, to wrap it up, Tenable offers a robust reporting system. For government security compliance, being able to generate clear, understandable reports is key. Whether it's for internal tracking or showing auditors the current status of your security efforts, Tenable's customizable reporting makes it easy to present the information that matters most. And here's the best part. If you're interested in using Tenable for your government security compliance needs, you can get access to this software completely free. Click the link below for an exclusive extended trial and a few extra bonuses to get you started. Don't miss out. Click the link below to start using Tenable today and take control of your government security compliance efforts.